Hey friends! Ensure your vehicle never leaves you stranded with the ultimate, reliable, and accurate car battery testers available today. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car battery testers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Kiwitz Car Battery Tester. This versatile, professional-grade diagnostic tool is engineered for unmatched accuracy across a wide range of vehicles. Compatible with 12V and 24V batteries ranging from 50 to 2000 cca, including standard flooded, EFB, AGM, and GL types, it seamlessly evaluates cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, ATVs, and even marine vessels. Utilizing advanced conductivity technology, it accurately measures state of health, state of charge, voltage, internal resistance, and cranking amps, delivering a comprehensive overview of your battery and starter motor. The vibrant 2.68-inch color display provides crystal-clear readability, even under bright sunlight. Designed for one-handed operation, its rugged TPE and ABS casing ensures long-lasting durability in demanding workshop environments. Safety is paramount, featuring premium Kelvin 4-wire clamps for precise contact and a robust 4-in-1 protection system guarding against reverse polarity, short circuits, overcurrent, and overvoltage. Since it draws power directly from the connected battery, no external charging is required. Backed by a generous 3-year warranty, it provides lasting peace of mind and top-tier reliability for all your automotive maintenance needs. Next up, our second product, the Foxwell Car Battery Tester. This upgraded diagnostic device sets a new standard for precision and ease of use in 12V battery evaluation. Building on the success of older models, it delivers up to 99.9% testing accuracy using state-of-the-art conductivity analysis, rivaling the expensive equipment found in professional auto shops. Whether you need to assess overall health, check the cranking system, or analyze alternator output, this all-in-one gadget saves you time and prevents unnecessary replacements. Tailored for both novices and seasoned mechanics, it displays straightforward good or bad results in mere seconds without any complex setup. It excels in cold weather, pinpointing hidden flaws to prevent frustrating morning no-starts. For added safety, an extra-long 6.5-foot cable lets you run tests comfortably from the driver's seat. Fully compatible with flooded, AGM, EFB, and GL batteries, it works flawlessly on cars, motorcycles, and RVs. With a bright 2.8-inch color display, heavy-duty copper clamps, and decades of brand expertise behind it, this tester guarantees professional-grade dependability in any garage. Coming in at number 3, the FNRC Internal Resistance Battery Tester. This exceptionally versatile tool takes a broader approach, catering not just to automotive needs but also to everyday electronics. Designed to evaluate everything from robust vehicle batteries to standard household AA and AAA cells, it combines broad functionality with true professional accuracy. Outfitted with upgraded clamp probes, establishing a secure connection to various terminals is quick and effortless. It stands out by simultaneously measuring both voltage and internal resistance, allowing you to instantly determine if a cell's overall quality has degraded. With a resistance threshold up to 200 ohms and a voltage limit of 100 V, it handles high-demand diagnostic tasks with ease. Utilizing a precise Kelvin 4-wire setup, it eliminates contact resistance to guarantee flawless readings. The vibrant TFT HD color screen is a massive upgrade over traditional monochrome interfaces, making data analysis highly intuitive. Additionally, it supports historical data logging, letting you save and export up to 8 sets of records for easy comparison. Compact and lightweight, it's a brilliant, highly adaptable choice. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Ancel Car Battery Tester. This highly popular diagnostic unit is essential for catching underlying electrical issues before they leave you stranded on the roadside. Frequently praised by independent tool reviewers, it offers crystal-clear metrics for state of health, state of charge, voltage, and cold cranking amps, while also running complete cranking and charging system tests. Armed with premium copper crocodile clips and a highly precise smart chip, it guarantees accurate readings when you input the correct specifications. Its classic, adjustable contrast LCD screen features a bright white backlight, ensuring excellent visibility whether you're under the midday sun or in a dimly lit garage. The intuitive, one-handed design operates directly off vehicle power, eliminating the need for internal batteries. Furthermore, it boasts a reinforced ABS housing and a comprehensive 4-in-1 safety suite that actively protects against reverse polarity, short circuits, and power surges. Covering a vast array of 12V flooded, AGM, GL, and EFB configurations, this unit remains a fast, safe, and dependable staple for any vehicle owner. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the top-down car battery tester. This premium diagnostic scanner is engineered to keep your 12V and 24V systems operating flawlessly while offering the ultimate convenience of instant physical documentation. Featuring a built-in thermal printer, it generates detailed diagnostic receipts on standard thermal paper, giving you or your clients immediate, tangible proof of health, starter status, and charging conditions. Operating with blazing speed, it delivers 99.5% accuracy in just 3 seconds, instantly identifying the root cause of electrical failures. Its extensive compatibility encompasses all regular flooded, AGM, GL, and EFB lead-acid batteries, making it an invaluable asset for cars, trucks, marine vessels, and heavy-duty equipment. Navigation is a breeze thanks to the crisp 2.4-inch color screen and highly responsive keypad. Built to withstand tough shop environments, it incorporates spark-free copper clamps, durable PVC-coated wiring, and automatic reverse polarity protection wrapped in an insulated ABS shell. Complete with an extra-long 31.5-inch cable for reaching awkwardly placed terminals, it is the ultimate combination of precision, safety, and professional-grade reporting. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.